I'm excited. This might not be new for you, but it was for me. And you don't have to be pro AI to understand why this is dope. Claude just did something for me in 5 minutes that would have taken me at least a day. Honestly, probably a full weekend with the way that I get distracted, some snacks, and an emotional support drink. Then I'll say I'll come back to this tomorrow, and then it probably would have taken me till next week. You get the point. I run an independent Timbaland legacy archive on timbotheking.com. The site houses a massive discography. It's all of Timbaland's music and everything he has touched going back to 1990. This isn't some random list either that I found online. This archive has been ongoing since back in the Timbaland Heaven days, if you remember, in 98. We're talking about decades of tracking songs, albums, singles, inspirations, unreleased records, remixes, co-productions, credits, and music history. So basically, I needed to pull all of those songs that were on the website and compile them into a spreadsheet or a document. Organize them by year, artist, album, track, check for duplicates, fix the formatting, fact check information, and turn 35 years of compiled music data into something a bit more usable. Not cute, not almost there, but usable. And Claude didn't just check random internet results. It cross-referenced the ASCAP, songwriter producer registration databases. It checked available online credit sources, BMI songwriter, and it helped validate information. It generated about 732 collapsible rows. And it wasn't a basic spreadsheet either. It has an auto filter on every column. Search by track, artist, year, album. You can filter it by release date, remix, co-produced, unreleased, expand any year and drill down to any artist. It also added songwriting credits, a legend sheet, source notes that you can actually use. I mean, the whole nine. It was great. It was perfect. Music credits can get messy, so of course it isn't 100% accurate. Probably more like 90% accurate. But Claude gave me something searchable, source noted, and a foundation that would have taken me a long time to build if I was just doing it manually. But you see how it didn't replace the archive. It just built on what I already had. The sorting, the formatting, the cleanup, especially for me, because I hate Excel. It's the boring but the necessary work. It doesn't replace expertise, but at the hands of someone who is already skilled, already knows what they are doing, it can actually make you move faster. Sometimes it's not your lack of creativity that makes it where you don't finish a project. Sometimes it's like 732 lines staring at you like,
you ready to clean this up?
It just gave me a cleaner way to audit, and I appreciate it. I love it. I will always take that kind of help. I am not complaining. Thank you, Claude.